Hello there. Welcome to Pickdigi. I'm Elena, and I'm delighted to be your host for today's video. As a first-time host, I am honored to share my enthusiasm for home cleaning technologies with you all. Before we go into the realm of cordless vacuum cleaners, I'd want to inform you that we've provided direct product links to all of the cordless vacuums we'll be reviewing in today's video. You can find them in the video description below, so if you want to learn more about any of these amazing cleaning equipment, simply click on the links to go straight to the product page. Let's get right into it. I painstakingly prepared a list of the top 5 best cordless vacuum cleaners that will completely transform your cleaning routine. These cordless vacuums provide unprecedented convenience and efficiency, with their diverse flexibility and powerful suction. Whether you have carpets, hardwood floors, or hard-to-reach corners, we have you covered. So sit back, relax, and let's find the best cordless vacuum cleaner to make your cleaning jobs easier. Without any more delay, here are our top recommendations for the best cordless vacuum cleaners. The BLACK+DECKER POWERSERIES Extreme Max Cordless Stick Vacuum is a cordless, lightweight vacuum cleaner that provides flexibility and convenience when cleaning. It has a 3-in-1 design, so you may use it as a stick vacuum, a handheld vacuum, or a high-reach vacuum depending on your cleaning requirements. One of the most notable features of the POWERSERIES Extreme Max is its tremendous suction capability. It has a high-performance motor that provides powerful suction, effectively removing dirt, debris, and pet hair from a variety of floor surfaces. The vacuum includes a changeable and washable filter that traps dust and allergens to help it function optimally. The easy-to-empty dustbin makes it simple to dispose of trash and debris. The cordless design allows for freedom of movement without the restriction of a power cord. It is powered by a rechargeable lithium-ion battery, which provides adequate runtime for cleaning sessions. The POWERSERIES Extreme Max comes with a variety of attachments and accessories, including a crevice tool and a brush tool, to help you tackle diverse cleaning tasks and get into tight spots. It also has an adjustable floor head that can adapt to different floor types for effective cleaning. On the negative, some customers have noted that the battery life may not be adequate for bigger cleaning tasks, and the trash size may be tiny, necessitating frequent emptying. The Shark Stratos Cordless Vacuum with Clean Sense IQ and Odor Neutralizer, Duo Clean PowerFins Hair Pro is a powerful cordless vacuum cleaner from Shark. It includes various sophisticated technology and design components that improve cleaning performance. One of its most notable features is the Clean Sense IQ technology, which intelligently identifies the type of surface being cleaned and changes the suction power accordingly. This optimizes cleaning performance and extends battery life. The vacuum also has an odor neutralizer, which helps to eliminate and decrease odors when vacuuming. This feature is especially useful in houses with pets or other sources of scents. The Duo Clean PowerFins Hair Pro Brush Roll is another interesting feature of this vacuum. It combines bristle brushes and soft rollers to effectively remove pet hair and deep clean both carpets and hardwood floors. The Shark Stratos cordless vacuum boasts high suction, cordless convenience, and diverse cleaning capabilities. The Clean Sense IQ technology and odor neutralizer improve the vacuuming experience while tackling specific cleaning difficulties. However, depending on the model and usage, the vacuum's battery life may be limited. Furthermore, some users may find the dustbin volume inadequate, necessitating more frequent emptying. To summarize, the Shark Stratos cordless vacuum with Clean Sense IQ and odor neutralizer, Duo Clean PowerFins Hair Pro is intended to give powerful and varied cleaning performance. Its intelligent features and odor neutralization make it ideal for homes with dogs or other odor issues. However, potential restrictions include battery life and dustbin capacity, which should be assessed based on personal cleaning requirements. The Samsung Jet 90 Cordless Stick Vacuum is intended to provide powerful and efficient cleaning performance while offering the convenience of cordless operation. It has a lightweight and ergonomic design, making it easy to maneuver and transport while cleaning. One of the Jet 90's distinguishing qualities is its tremendous suction capability. It has a digital inverter motor that provides powerful suction, efficiently sucking up dirt, dust, and debris from a variety of surfaces. The vacuum's 5-layer HEPA filtration system collects tiny particles and allergens, resulting in healthier air as you clean. The dustbin is simple to empty and clean, minimizing maintenance requirements. The Jet 90's multi-surface brush and adjustable design allow for a wide range of cleaning alternatives. It can effortlessly convert between different floor kinds, such as hardwood, carpet, and tile, and cleans efficiently on all of them. The Jet 90's removable battery enables for extended cleaning sessions, and may be replaced with a spare battery for continuous cleaning if required. The vacuum also has a handy wall-mountable charging station for easy storage and refilling. On the negative, some customers have claimed that the battery life may not be adequate for extended cleaning chores, and the dustbin size may be limited, necessitating regular emptying. Finally, the Samsung Jet 90 cordless stick vacuum provides high suction, flexible cleaning capabilities, and easy cordless operation. Its lightweight design, HEPA filtration system, and changeable brush make it ideal for a variety of cleaning tasks. While it has limitations in terms of battery life and dustbin size, it is a dependable and effective cleaning solution for everyday usage. The Tineco Pure 1 S15 Pet Smart Cordless Vacuum Cleaner includes innovative functions to handle pet hair and dander. It uses a powerful engine and suction technology to successfully remove pet hair and other debris from a variety of surfaces. One of the Pure 1 S15's distinguishing qualities is its smart technology. It employs a sophisticated iLoop dust sensor that intelligently adjusts suction power based on the amount of dirt and dust detected, ensuring effective cleaning while conserving battery life. The vacuum incorporates a specialized pet cleaning equipment, such as a motorized brush or a turbo brush, which is specifically designed to remove pet hair from upholstery, stairs, and other surfaces. This makes it perfect for homes with pets. The Pure 1 S15 also has a high-efficiency filtration technology that collects allergens and small particles, thereby enhancing air quality in your house. The dustbin is simple to empty and clean, which reduces maintenance requirements. The vacuum's cordless design allows you greater freedom of movement and convenience. It includes a replaceable and rechargeable battery that provides adequate runtime, allowing you to clean greater areas without interruption. It also has a wall-mounted docking station for simple storage and charging. On the negative, some users have noted that the suction power decreases over time, and the battery life may not be sufficient for long cleaning sessions. In addition, the Pure 1 S15 may be more expensive than other cordless vacuums on the market. In conclusion, the Tineco Pure 1 S15 Pet Smart Cordless Vacuum Cleaner is a feature-rich choice for pet owners looking for a powerful and convenient cleaning solution. Its clever technology, specialist pet cleaning tools, and effective filtration system make it ideal for removing pet hair and keeping your surrounds clean. However, before making a purchase decision, you should examine the potential constraints and price point. The Dyson V11 Torque Drive Cordless Vacuum Cleaner is noted for its strong suction, innovative capabilities, and versatility. It comes with Dyson's V11 digital motor, which provides powerful suction strength for effective cleaning on a variety of floors. One of the most notable aspects of the V11 Torque Drive is its sophisticated cleaning mechanism. It employs dynamic load sensor (DLS) technology, which automatically adjusts the motor speed and suction power according to the kind of surface being cleaned. This optimizes cleaning performance and extends battery life. The vacuum has 3 cleaning modes: Eco, Auto, and Boost. Eco mode extends runtime, whilst Boost mode provides maximum suction strength for intensive cleaning. Auto mode intelligently adjusts suction power based on the detected surface, achieving a balance of performance and battery life. The V11 Torque Drive has a fully sealed filtration system that removes 99.97% of particles as small as 0.3 microns, such as pollen, dust mites, and pet dander. The hygienic point-and-shoot bin emptying method makes it simple to dispose of dirt and trash without creating a mess. This vacuum includes several attachments and accessories, including a torque drive cleaner head, a crevice tool, a combination tool, and a tiny motorized tool. These attachments make it suitable for cleaning a variety of places and surfaces, such as stairs, upholstery, and hard-to-reach corners. The V11 Torque Drive's cordless design allows for greater flexibility and freedom of movement. It has a rechargeable battery that provides adequate runtime, and the LCD screen shows real-time battery status and performance information. On the negative side, some consumers have reported that the vacuum is relatively hefty, and the V11 Torque Drive's price may be more than that of other cordless vacuums available. In conclusion, the Dyson V11 Torque Drive Cordless Vacuum Cleaner has high suction, intelligent cleaning functions, and a variety of attachments for diverse cleaning performance. Its innovative technology and efficient filtration system make it ideal for a variety of cleaning applications. However, before making a purchase selection, you should examine the prospective weight and price factors. Thank you for accompanying me on this fascinating adventure into the world of cordless vacuum cleaners. I hope you find our top 5 recommendations useful and encouraging for improving your cleaning practice. Remember, the video description below contains direct product links to all of the vacuums we discussed. If you enjoyed and found this video interesting, please give it a thumbs up and share it with other cleaning aficionados. And, if you haven't already, subscribe to our channel for more house cleaning advice, product reviews, and new announcements. I'd like to thank you for your support and involvement. It's been a fantastic first time hosting your show, and I want to bring you even more wonderful content in the near future. If you have any questions or comments, please share them below. I enjoy hearing from our community. I wish you a sparkling clean home and uncomplicated cleaning experiences. Thank you again. Until the next time, happy cleaning.